could I get to Fiona and say, Fiona, like you live in Europe, or you know, Candy can't come to Europe, but I told Candy no one come to Europe.
And Fiona is always open to help people because I've known her personally.
O'Neal, remember when you come out with visa? Candy can easily come to Europe. And me believe say maybe all them look pan Candy, all my bleach and the things them then kind of
them afraid. Because that bleaching look away no man.
Maybe and that she got them in at the airport too, guys. Come here tell us that Candy could have come to Europe. One ticket from DR to Istanbul, Turkey, and he seek asylum in Germany. He don't have to have no visa. He might look which one of the airline them don't need a visa.
Yeah, look which airline I got connect in one different country we don't need a visa.
Even France airline, you can go on France airline from DR and seek asylum.
So yeah, you can just go on any random plane. Once it got transit through one country, just come out from the country and ball out you want asylum.
No, some of the plane they ask for a visiting, they ask for a connected visa. But most of them they don't ask for it. Like for instance in Switzerland they cut it out now, they ask for it. Remember I know Courage come here now. Remember I say Courage come here now for Mexico. Remember I say Courage come here and Courage have a visa. But now they need a visa. Him cannot go to Canada because they need visa for that and they need visa for England. It's just a European country. Like certain
countries. Yeah, we go too much country for reach Canada, my love. Can watch it. In order to reach Canada fast, you have to come to America.
Number one, you know why Canada go to Canada, Trinidad, go stay, go to Canada? That program they take long to blood.
It takes long.
Oh, you might meet the people I mean them love. And people
I want that people me know get through on the program there now and one boy and him woman. Me never know them, never know their name, my love.
We live in Canada.
Tell them Slim. And then the boy, I think one of them have a daughter. Them daughter just recently moved about probably 2 years ago.
But no,
they love Trinidad and get through on the program.
We live in Canada.
Up to Nicholas. Nicholas did their Trinidad for the program and she have left
Omar and Kemar. You know Omar and Kemar, they need get through quick time.
Them, Omar and Kemar, them.
Yeah, It's not one easy. I'm telling you guys. What about you're talking about Lisso? If me they are DR, me know somebody where they are DR and right now then the person they are Belgium. Yes. Can they book one ticket, bring them over? Istanbul, Turkey, them are going and tap off and then just seek asylum, tap off a Belgium and say asylum and then get it.
Can I go on one joke? One time we there Panama and me and the girl in the house now we decided so we are run we go to Europe in a man. And the girl them book ticket in the house so the whole of we pack up and go airport. And the whole of we then turn back from blood clot here because we want to go big foreign and we don't have a visa. You understand? So when you do these things, you have to be well educated about it. You can just get a book and tickets. So, and it happened to me with America too. When I live in Panama, I want to go to Jamaica. I see transit flight pan one something name. What is something name? See me a book ticket pan. I see transit flight. I go Miami to Jamaica. Man, I bought my ticket. I'm going to go to the airport. Them tell me, I have to have visa to go on the plane. Man, I have to book a regular ticket for the one flight and go to Jamaica. I should be saying I want to go to America. I see what America look like, man. Them say hell no, my love. So there's a lot of changes, but if you know the loophole, that you can reach
it. It really sad though. You know, say one batty man I try when I will come into a try, go through and can't go through. And look how much people go through. Look here. My brother do much blood clot things at Jamaica. Me love kill much people, me love. And my brother go right through the border.
Listen, me know too much gunman and murderer. Come through the border.
That's why I tell us that there is something, maybe at the people. No, at the people that doing things when walk and kill and do the things back in the days and talk about people. Hey,
let me tell you what I make.
You know Apathy O'Neal?
You know Apathy? Like Destiny, things are work out for you.
Me have to know Apathy. You know Apathy?
Yeah.
You know Panish Court Hotel where the gully there?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Me not talk New Kingston gully, no Apathy gully right where the mothers there.
Yeah.
I have one right there. So you see there, so? I say last time, you know, my friend in CJ, I go to Emancipation Park, and I say Candy. I want girl Spain run.
TJ will live in America now?
Yes, short TJ. Stab up the whole of the blood clot, man, and take him man phone. I say, man, I hold him belly and I run up half a tree road to blood clot. From
Candy!
Candy, Bobby. I not even say Candy, Bobby. Not Candy.
So this is something where she just see and just want your phone and just tab you up and take it.
You never see them that go gas. You never see them like the gully down there. When I time.
Hey, can't do nothing. Go away, no girl.
Me ask if you never see them like the blood clot gully down there.
No, me love
Remember the
them.
man
You
they
know,
go.
some news people
Watch
down
out.
there interview them. I never seen no fire down them. Not gonna lie.
Remember say no, I don't get there shoot you girl and kill her, you know. You never know say I don't get there shoot you girl and kill you girl in a gully.
My
And I see Batman
God.
make you girl dead. Then thief, because then thief.
But between now and destiny, you know, so when I used to travel left foreign and go Jamaica, I'm gonna go to one. I afraid around the gully.
Jesus Christ, me.
I don't drive around there now. I'm afraid of
Gunman
that
the
tone
last time
batty
in
man.
Africa, no man,
I'm
gunman
afraid
shoot
of
up
tone
all
batty man.
around
I'm
there.
afraid of tone batty
Gunman
man. I'm a
shoot up all
murderer.
around there. Gunman shoot up all around them. I love me. Could walk the them love.
Blackjack, me afraid of tone batty man.
Yeah, they love burn up your
Then on the heart.
Destiny. Before you go,
Like the goalie.
it just popped in my mind just now. I mean,
Yeah.
I know you don't know me anything like that. I was wondering that I was wanting to do an interview one day when you're not busy. I mean, because I wanna inform people of diverse community and street
The goalie is located in New Kingston.
regarding about transgender people and how they live and survive.
You can't give the interview destiny bad to bad.
Since you're in it, you would know. You know the do. No, but
We were having this conversation earlier on, but him want somebody where I do transition for talk to. Cause me know some stuff based on friends that me have, but the feelings me can't give no advice on the feeling what the people them feel when them do
Me
transition.
the interview. Just me will do it. I will do it when you're ready. You just inbox me. I will do that interview.
I think
But
it
you
would be a
follow
great
me?
interview.
Because what I could do, I mean, I could set a date, just the theory, I will inform the people, I will get an audience and just do what we do. It work. I think it will work. I mean, people with people. I'm sure that people.
The guy, the people empire here when the interview are going and they can't give Destiny the money one want to give her. Cause I think it's gonna be a great interview.
I will do the interview,
Blackjack
it's
is
no
a person
problem.
that is very intellect when it come out to conversation, Destiny, so it will work.
Yeah, but it work. I mean, we can talk about. I mean, just about anything, but in the same community and so forth. Something educational, you know. I mean, help people. I mean, teaches, teach. You probably might learn something new yourself. You know what I mean?
No problem.
Yeah. So I'm hoping that I'm looking forward for that. So on
And you know, Destiny is very open, so you'll get the right answers.
right. Yeah, I just popped in my mind just now while I'm talking.
This your thing, girl.
I mean, I may put it on. Don't if I don't know, I may put it on.
Me say somebody have to do the thinking while we talk.
Right. So
I remember earlier on we started like see you want to do a show, but you want to get somebody to talk with doing the transition. Destiny is the right person.
Who hit them that in 2019?
But no one come me that far. Them always in the gully in Alpha Tree.
SNS, Black Blood Clot, Rare.
Them always in
not
the...
wait for you for Black Carmelo. Come on from a blood class something. We are talking about.
Yeah, but he's not at the gully. Them
We've
living
been over here for almost.
They have to live in the
3-4
gully
hours.
because they
And it
come
was
to
that
never want
negative.
them.
The fuck?
The only somebody where me still living at the gully where they I must say Sasha Berry. Sasha Berry still in Jamaica. I see somebody asking for Sasha Berry. You know Sasha Berry on here?
Sasha Berry. Has she live in America now?
No, Sasha Berry still
Oh,
in
Sasha
Jamaica.
did one with the big mouth.
Yes, Sasha Black.
Yeah, me know her.
So
I
Sasha
saw
Berry
her on the video them. The video them
she's
with
still in
them.
Jamaica, but Chris, you see the one that did that ball pan the documentary named Chrissy. She did the Amsterdam. Remember, she
Me
did
know
the
about
Amsterdam.
she. Them find she in her apartment overdose pan coke. I know about she 4 or 5 years ago.
The
Chrissy used to
do
do with Ryan. You know Ryan from Jamaica? I think Ryan dead now.
I know, right? I only Ryan again.
I think it was the same Ryan. Remember we that talk about one story about the people of Mandeville and Ryan jumping at the wall?
Yes, that's the
I
story.
think Ryan and Chris used today.
I remember that
Same
story.
Ryan.
No, but Ryan never did that story after.
I think Ryan crashed in a car accident, man.
I think I would say that. Yeah, I think he died in a car accident because I saw him after.
Them always did and them crosses. Me love them all. Tell me see one straight man a pass and tell me say baby come fuck me. The boy just take out the gun and shot him in a blood clot mouth. Pure gunshot.
You're right.
Where?
No Alpha Tree.
Everybody are dead earlier.
Pure gunshot. Tell me to sell a cigarette.
Let me say this. I had judgment in my life before. One time, 3 boy run me down, from Mobile, you know, from across KFC. Because when I go and I come out in the battle, I'm a girl in my ear catch me on my back.
Hold on.
Yeah.
They run me down, but there's one thing in a battle I will never catch me. I never see nobody shoot off of me with a gun yet. Pipe, never.
No man rap me a bus gun off of me, but no shot never touch me. Come the tubeless.
Me never go through the
Man back
judgment.
gun off
Man
of me.
literally back a gun for me and I see the gun. I don't know what to do.
Man did back gun off of me.
The town girls, they look at them go
Some.
shoot me, love.
But I rap them, they rap me, and them a bust the gun and no never touch me. Me too blessed for that. Them could kill me.
Man go shoot, you know.
Picture.
Gunshot for days, you know.
Boy, me tell the master, we run up
But
and
me not
down.
lie. My group in the back of business.
That's why we can run
After the
fast.
judgment, we catch certain people, it don't catch me. Me not lie.
You
But
catch me
kind of
neither.
know, I come out in this still, because when I come out in this, I kind of grow on the people them with money. So it was all about
Look at
making the
money,
money
you
and
know.
living the
Hold
good life. I come out run the gates
Yeah,
and
sure,
live
one
the
picture
good life.
money,
So I
you
never get caught up.
Yeah, hear me only hear me. I show one picture. See Candy, yeah? This is back in the days when Candy and I go, you know.
You're too blood clot, lad.
So you have to know about we love.
Screenshot boo there.
Candy that.
If Candy didn't look so. Oh, me remember Candy even me didn't know Candy, man.
Yeah, you
Candy
know,
look like
remember
Candy now.
even when me see me, alright, yes, when me see him, me
She
remember
look
say
like
a Bobby,
Boo
me know
Now
say
the
him.
name where Bobby fit her, you saw.
Yeah.
Yeah, me know say him when me see. Me get what I'm saying? Me know say him cause him can't change. And me
That's what destiny of full evidence, man, yeah.
No, me true me not really remember I know O'Neal. Me never seen at the gully, but me used to go down at the gully. Cause I remember saying me go to Telma and me go for Keisha. But Candy look
I can't believe I Candy just show him, man.
Bobby. That's
Wow.
Bobby.
But his skin black. Where's black?
That's why he's so pale, because guess why I'm over bleach him skin.
No, but what he does not understand, I see the reason why I'm bleaching skin, remember say him have a whole heap of chop them, you know, and a whole heap of mark them pan him body. So him have to bleach, and you know him have to, but me don't even know why I'm bleach, because he put up a lot of tattoos. It's him have to bleach anyway. You get what I'm saying? But it's crazy, it's really crazy. But too bad.
Jolly, it's Candy. You don't see the face of Candy girl when Candy is young.
Of course, you know better. You know
Me
better
probably
picture.
have pictures in my phone and
You know
look
better,
like
you know
me.
better. His
Yeah.
skin
Now,
better
one
than
people
the
nine box.
Me look on them.
They don't answer
But
them
the
down.
dark skin
Just
would
say
hide the
candidates.
chop marks better than the bleach.
You know better, you know better
Every
than
time
that.
they stay black and just use bio oil or them have cocoa butter to take out scar. Rub it on your body like bleaching cream or by prayer time at work.
Tone down, just tone down.
But only remember say one thing at Jamaica, you know, where them just take up it. Me can't bleach up, man. Me don't know me love. Me
People
can't.
bleaching cream have it tone your skin and them overdo it, man. A tree, them a walk with all the jar in their hand and don't turn around in the sun. But you know what blood clot mash up? Eh? When they at Jamaica, me love you no good for bleach because the sun alone mash you up. As you bleach and go there, it start quail you up like banana leaf.
Hello, me wish me did blacker than this. Me not got to no lie.
I wish I was dark skin, but not
Me
dark
wish me
skin.
did
look
black,
purple,
black,
dark
like up
skin
and the
look
black.
cute.
Me wish me did black, so me not got to no lie. Me wish.
Nobody can get what they want, my love.
But
I
what I'm
think I'm
saying
okay. Oh, God make me. I am fine with me, my
Can me
love.
get a lot of money, you know. But what I'm saying is, can I make a remember, you know, about.
Oh,
Alright,
yes,
it's-
I do tone my skin, but I don't bleach. When you bleach, and when you get up and do it every day, my love, I tone my skin just to stay light. A matter of fact,
Well, me
I'm
I say
with some
only-
light complexion, so it's not that bad for me.
O'Neal, you know what I'm saying? And I believe that all of them set up Candy. You know why I say them set up Candy too? This is our next episode. I don't really care nobody wants to say. Because me know. Why I say them set up Candy now? I believe that Cheese and the man who named Eddie, to put over Candy across the border, they set up Candy and wrap Candy money. Do you know that Candy are blaming people that our next guy sent me the passport? Or me get Eddie, or me get Candy passport.
You have
is
the
from
passport,
Eddie.
sis?
Yeah, because Eddie
Go
sent
on
the
my
passport.
IG when I done Destiny and send it to me. I know often know which part she there. I can't use the passport information
No,
and find out if she
listen.
gone back to Jamaica.
She's in Jamaica because she on
Okay.
her white bed. She
Okay.
in Jamaica because she did on her white bed where she did buy. She did at Jamaica
Okay.
for true.
Okay, perfect.
But what I'm saying is, Cheese can't afraid enough. Cheese can't go talk the other day and say Cheese or be me but the moderator tell him say don't talk. So listen up, Cheese and Eddie,
Really?
I think they set up Candy. Do you know that? Me now gonna say something. Somebody where I get the passport from tell me Destiny say Eddie put Candy over the border and Candy is in Chicago. Candy was not in Chicago. That's a lie. And you know why I said that person is not telling like O'Neal? When the passport send, you can see that the passport send on 1 second. So they put the screenshot, so you see Eddie name, pan the top, and me have that proof. I'm not lying, people. I can show you that right now. Okay? But what I'm saying is, they saying that Candy, they saying that they put over Candy across the border. So I say, if you put me call somebody, I say, look here, if Candy go across the border, or Candy they are Jamaica now. Or Candy they are Jamaica now.
That's the last time me hear so Candy the America. I tap chat about her, me the pan she don't reach now. What we are chat about her for? She will come here come build up her blood clan and get American identity show up talk about her.
But too bad O'Neal, me not a friend, but she never did tell nobody so she the America. Fear is the internet run with it. All the internet run with it. Big one is the one who come and she's live and say him in detention, and from there so everybody start to run with it. He never tell them. So even when Miss Spring go and say congratulations, she said, can he say, me never tell nobody say me have a next journey. He never did. And the people run on the internet, no one can. And sometimes I see some people on the internet O'Neal, sometimes are them. But what I'm saying is,
well, Destiny, we know how the internet works. We can't blame them.
Yeah, but what fuck up Candy? In mouth.
Mouth.
Why do you Candy make
a lot of time my mouth fuck me up to something. No, me love.
People, boy, you're there foreign for you chat too much. You should talk. Lock your mouth. And information.
I also think Ken is getting wrong. Then if I don't, then I must get wrong information, ma.
Yeah, but think I'm boyfriend with him, so I can't boyfriend with him.
Well up your time and fuck up your opportunity.
Guys, Big One said it in the comment when she's have the official match. Candy is in detention. Oh, remember when Big One
nobody don't know say Becky did that come, so that's why Becky reach.
Yeah, but no, people didn't know that Becky were coming because Becky were asking for money on the internet. So people find out that Becky were coming. But what I'm saying is, save up all the money that you have. Save up all that money that you have. Can you make a lot of money on the internet? Save up that money and just come right through. Don't let nobody know. I'm going to tell you, when Candy and my life, they are class me. Native in passport. And in come out and show him passport from this, everything just start come to light.
Wow. Also, when you show him passport, I saw them screen grab it.
This stamp never have passport yet.
Oh.
And when he got through now, they stamping in passport. And alright, I see a lot of people are saying that look at the background, the picture of the video that Candy were showing, that was not America, that was Colombia.
Colombia.
Yeah, it was Colombia. But they doesn't understand that Colombia is cold. Colombia cold, but I miss it.
Very cold. That's America we share that Colombia. Colombia have almost the same amount of states like America.
Yeah,
Colombia is a very big place.
They're turning back from Panama.
I've been to two different places in Colombia, Medellin and Cucuta.
They're turning back from Panama, so he tried Colombia. And then when he tried Colombia now, people were...
Oh, it makes sense. Because when you're in Panama, you have access to... Only place them can go from in Panama is Costa Rica. You need an American visa to go Costa Rica. But the rest of Spanish country, them, you can just jump in. 30 minutes, 45 minutes, you reach. So look at somebody say, girl, try Colombia. But anyway, I think if you go Colombia, you have to go in Mexico.